Hi, today I'll show you how to get this amazing and totally free live sports app to your Amazon Fire Stick or Android TV. The whole setup process of this app is really easy and will take you only a couple of minutes. First of all, of course, you gotta get the app called Downloader to your Fire Stick. If you already have Downloader on your device and it is properly set up, then you could actually skip this step, but if you don't have Downloader yet, or you are unsure if it is set up correctly, then just follow me. Firstly, you just go to the search on your Fire Stick, open the search bar, and start typing downloader in the search. And as you can see, downloader has already popped out for us at the bottom. Click on it, and here's the app which you need to get to your device. But after you got downloader, it's not over yet, because you still need to set it up. So now, in order to actually set up Downloader, we'll go to Settings by clicking this button with a gear icon, then scroll down and go to My Fire TV. Open it, and now in here, what you have to do is turn on developer options for the Fire Stick. But on some Fire Sticks, and especially on the new Fire Stick devices, the developer options might be hidden by default. So if that's the case and you cannot find developer options anywhere, then no need to worry because it's pretty easy to make them appear. Just go to About, select Fire TV Stick, and now you have to start clicking on the middle button on your remote. And do it fast, so let's do it. And as you can see, now for me at the bottom, it says no need, you are already a developer. That's in my case. And in your case, it's gonna say that you have become a developer now. So if you go back a bit, you will finally see developer options. Open them, make sure to turn on ADB debugging, then go to install unknown apps, and from here all you have to do is locate downloader and turn this option on. So what it does, it's gonna allow you to install other applications from the internet and not necessarily only those apps which are only available in your official Amazon App Store by default. And that's exactly what we're gonna do right now. So now we just go back to the list of apps on your Fire Stick. Here it is. Let's open it. Wait a moment for it to load. And now there is the downloader, which is set up and ready to use on your Fire Stick. But before actually using downloader, there is one more thing which I always recommend doing. And it is of course connecting to a VPN. In my case, I mostly use NordVPN because they're super fast. They got a great app for Fire Sticks, Android TVs, phones, laptops, or pretty much any other device you may use. And they are not expensive for such a premium service. In fact, they cost less than a cup of coffee per month, which is a great pricing for us, the users. All you have to do in a VPN app is connect to any server. Let's say I will connect to Hungary right now, and from the moment you connect, all your traffic is gonna be totally encrypted. It means that no one can track you or snoop on you online, and that's really important if you want to stay out of trouble. And if you don't have a VPN yet, but you want to try it out, I do have a great offer for you. If you use my link, which will be in a pinned comment below this video or in the description of this video, you'll get 3 months of NordVPN totally for free, which is an amazing offer. And if you're watching this video on your TV or on your Fire Stick, then just grab your phone or your computer, open up a web browser, and go to topvpnoffer.com. That's my website, which is going to give you the same amazing deal for NordVPN with 3 months for free. Or just scan the QR code, which you can see on a screen right now, with a camera of your phone. It works the same way, and it's also going to give you the same deal for Nord. And now, finally, let's use downloader safely. So just go back to the list of apps on your device, locate downloader, and open it up on the Fire Stick. So you open downloader, and what you have to do in here now is go to the search bar, and now the code that you will have to enter is gonna be 10 104,384. So once again, it's 104384. That is the code you have to enter. So just enter it exactly as you see and do not make any mistakes, obviously. Then click on go, and while it's loading, make sure to subscribe my channel so you would get even more content about Fire Sticks. And now the download of the app has already started. Usually doesn't take long, but of course it all depends on your internet connection speed. So the app got downloaded, but then of course you also still have to install the app to your device. So click on the installation button, and now the app will finish installing. And after that, don't click on open yet. Instead, press on done, because this way you'll get an option to delete the installation files, as you don't really need them anymore on your Fire Stick. So just click on delete and delete once again. And this way you get rid of the unnecessary files from your Fire Stick and save yourself some free space on your device. And now if you go to the list of apps on the Fire Stick, here it is, just open it. And here at the bottom now you will find this new app which we just got for you. So now first of all I would just recommend you to click on the options button on your remote. That is the button with 3 horizontal lines. It's located right next to the home button on your remote. Click on it and a menu will pop out on the right side of your screen. Click on move to front, and this way the app will always be at the very top of your application list. This way it's gonna be way easier for you to access this app every time you need it. Just don't forget to keep the VPN connected to stay safe and out of trouble online when using such apps. And once again, you can get 3 months of NordVPN totally for free if you use the link below this video. Then feel free to finally open this app. And if this screen appears when you open the application, it means that we have to also update the app. To do that, we gotta go back to settings, My Fire TV, developer options, install known apps, and also turn this option on for blink streams, because otherwise the app wouldn't be able to update. Then get back to the application, open it again, click on update now, and then the app will get updated and you'll get access to loads of channels and live sports events. I just had to blur out my screen because YouTube doesn't allow me to show you the exact channels available here in the app. But in your case, of course, it's not gonna be blurry. So enjoy and see you next time. Bye bye.